Hello my loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video I'm going to show you 3 simple hairstyles for short to medium length hair when your hair is dirty and greasy. Honestly, I have settled into mom life so comfortably. It's been a really long time since I've last washed my hair, and today's probably the first time in days that I've actually put makeup on, but I thought I would hop on here and show you 3 fun hairstyles that I found on Pinterest that are perfect for hiding dirty, greasy hairs if you are a mom or someone who's just on the run, or if you're just like me and you just don't care to wash your hair all the time, then these hairstyles are for you. So if you would like to see the 3 fun hairstyles that I have found, then just keep watching. For this first hairstyle, I'm going to part my hair in the middle and I'm going to create 3 separate sections, pulling the back section into a low ponytail and leaving the front side sections out. And then I'm going to take my scarf and place it on my head where I would like it to sit. Now because I'm using a silky scarf, it does slide around a lot, so I just grabbed random clips to kind of clip it and hold it in place. And then I tied my scarf just above that ponytail. Then I'm going to start by grabbing the side sections and twirling them back towards the scarf and tucking them in and under the scarf to kind of create a loop around it. Then once the sides are tucked in, I'm going to pull out any pieces I would like to have framing the face. And then I'm going to take that ponytail in the back and tuck it underneath the scarf to create an effortless updo. And once my hair is secured and in place, that is it. This next hairstyle is super easy and has been trending pretty much everywhere, and it's just a simple half updo. Now because my hair is layered, I don't have that much hair on the top of my head, so I grabbed just a small section so it didn't take away from the length of the rest of my hair, and I secured that with an elastic band and then just gently pulled on a few pieces to make it look a little bit fuller. And then you're going to grab your scarf and tie it around your ponytail into a knot. And then just play around with it to have it sit where you would like it to sit, and that is it. And this last hairstyle is another half updo. So what you're going to do is part your hair to whatever side you would like it to sit. And then you're going to tie the scarf around your head without securing any of your hair out of the way. And then you're going to grab small sections just of the top half of your hair and wrap that around the scarf to kind of hold it in place and to create a half updo. Now I think this hairstyle will be super cute if your hair was just maybe a little bit longer than mine, or if your hair is a little bit thicker than mine. And with all of these hairstyles, you can also clip in hair extensions if you would like to help give you the fullness that you would like to achieve. And that is it. And that is it for this tutorial. Those are the 3 fun hairstyles that I have been seeing everywhere that are trending this summer season. Let me know down in the comment section below which one was your favorite, and remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in our next video. Bye!